members of the press, Kamsang, Namaste and hello. Welcome to meet the contestants of the Miss Himalaya Pageant 2017. As you can see, there are 9 young, beautiful, intelligent, talented and ambitious women from the Himalayan region to participate in the Miss Himalaya Pageant 2017. So we have a short press note. I will read that so that you get all the information. It's history in the making. We have 9 contestants in this year's Miss Himalaya Pageant. It is by far the biggest number of contestants in the 5 years of the pageant. The 9 contestants are Aisha Gurung, 25 from Chamba.
Hello, good morning and namaste to everyone. I'm Aisha Gurung and I'm from Chamba, Himachal Pradesh, and I have done BTech in Biotechnology from Shulini University, and presently I'm working as a business developer, and also I'm pursuing Master in Business Administration. Basically, my aim to come in this Miss Himalaya pageant, actually I want to be the role model for the girls like me and every common girl who want to show their talent, but they are not getting the actual platform. But I am very thankful to Mr. Lobsang that he is creating show like this and we are getting platform like this. So I want to be the role model for the common girl like us, and as I belong from very small town, so I want them to participate in pageant like this. So I hope you all will enjoy this show. Thank you.
Akanksha Mahat, 19 from Dharamshala.
Good morning, namaste and dhokdinchu to everyone present here. My name is Akanksha Mahat and I am from Dharamshala, Sidbari. I am pursuing BSc Biotechnology second year from Chandigarh group of colleges. I am a very keen and a hardworking personality, as I have lost 7 kgs of weight for this pageant. So this pageant means a lot to me. So I hope for the best, and I am here to learn something new, to support my parents and to make them feel proud. That's it, and I thank Mr. Lobsang. This platform means a lot to me and my parents also, so thank you.
Kelsang Phuti, 22 from Kaza, Lahul and Spiti.
Good morning, Julie Tesdile. Myself Kelsang Phuti and I'm from Lahul and Spiti. Probably I'm from Spiti. And right now I'm pursuing my Masters in English from Punjab University. And I'm here not to win the show. I'm here to motivate those thousands of girls from Spiti who just want to be a model but couldn't stand as because of the society. So I'm here to motivate those girls. And I would like to thank Mr. Lobsang Wangyal, who has provided such a beautiful platform for the young ladies of Himalaya. I really like to thank you for this. And I'm not here to win the show. I'm just here to motivate those girls. I hope a lot of contestants from Spiti will come next year, and it's really nice to be here. Thank you.
Manat Thakur, 18 from Nahanni.
Hello everyone, namaste. My name is Manna Thakur and I'm from Nahanni, Himachal. Basically I'm a professional freelance model, but I'm also doing my BBA from Chandigarh. Being a part of this show is something like a dream come true for all of us. I'm just so happy to be a part of this show. And Miss Himalaya is not only about a beauty pageant, it's also about our culture, our tradition. It's the only pageant that helps us to promote our culture and tradition throughout the world. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Monika Nagy, 20 from Rampur, Bushehr.
Hi everyone, my name is Monika Nagy. I am 20 years old. I belong to the Queen of Hills, Shimla. I have lived my life up to a belief that if you want to grow in your life, you have to come out of your comfort zone. So here I am trying to push my boundaries and pursue my dream of becoming Miss India, and for which Miss Himalaya is the first step. Thank you.
Palak Thakur, 17 from Palampur.
Namaskar, my name is Paula Crocker and I'm 17 years old from Palampur. I'm currently pursuing my 12th from RIS. As modeling has always fascinated me like anything, I want to be a role model for all the young girls out there and want to carry that torch so that every girl and every woman out there can feel the light. And I would like to thank Lobsang for being such a great mentor for all of us. And I hope we all be good role models for all the girls out there. Thank you.
Preksha Rana, 21 from Gagal.
Hello everyone, my name is Preksha Rana and I'm 21 years old. Right now I'm pursuing my BA in English majors. I'm a literature student. My home belongs to Gagal, near Gagal airport. And my main motive to be in this pageant is not only to win. My main motive is to encourage all the other women. I want to be a role model for all the other women out there who cannot reach out from the small comfort zones. I want to be someone like who inspires others. And I want the best one wins. I know if I don't win, I will learn something. I will gain a lot, because now also we are learning a lot of things. And I really thank Lobsang Wangyal sir for letting me be a part of this show. And I hope the best one wins, and thank you so much.
Simran Mehta, 20 from Dharamshala.
Hello everyone and namaste. My name is Simran Mehta. I am 20 years old and I am a BBA student studying in PG College Dharamshala. I'm not here just because modeling is my passion. I'm here to motivate many other girls like me to come over here and work for them. As per society's perception, many people think that girls should be, they should be in boundaries. They should live in their houses and just work their household work. But I want to change the thinking of such people, and I want them to come out of their houses and work for them. So I hope you all enjoy the show, keep motivating and keep supporting. Thank you.
And Tashil Hamu, 24 from Kathmandu.
Hello everyone, my name is Tashil Hamu and I'm from Nepal. I was born in Nepal, and sadly I was not born in Tibet, which is my motherland country. And I was a professional model and nurse. Currently I'm working here in this beautiful place, Dharamsala, as English language teacher, which is specially for the adults. Being a pageant is not just about beauty, it's more about service to the community and being a role model and making a difference in the society. And I want to thank Mr. Lobsang Wangyal for providing us such platform and encouraging the young women about doing something for the society, for the development of society. Thank you.
We have the support of Honorable Minister of Urban Development, Government of Himachal Pradesh, Shri Sudhir Sharma ji. And the Himachal Tourism is supporting this pageant with some funding assistance. Now in its 5th edition, the pageant is an example of turning words into action and making a difference in the community. There can be many more such events and programs if we truly want to empower the woman. The pageant acts as a launching pad for the ambitious and talented young women, giving them the chance they deserve to touch new heights and be seen as modern young women. The pageant also provides more opportunities for fostering friendship and understanding among the Himalayan people. Yesterday they arrived in McLeodganj. Today is day 2 for them, and this morning we went to for a darshan when His Holiness the Dalai Lama came for the teaching. So as you know, this is the one of the programs that we have, which is to meet the press. And later in the evening we will have a rehearsal at the Tipa, which is our main menu for 2 days. And from tomorrow the competition rounds will start. We will have 5 rounds in the pageant. And tomorrow, which is the day 1, in which we will have 2 rounds, the talk and talent rounds, which will be held at Tipa from 7 p.m. onwards. And on the finale night, there will be 3 rounds. 3 rounds will be introduction round, traditional costume round, and interview round. The online Miss Photogenic voting will start from 12 noon today, and it will close on the 8th of this month, which is Sunday, at 12 noon also. So there will be 2 days of online voting. The winner of the online voting will have 5 extra marks, which will be added to the total. And the winner will walk away with a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. And the first runner-up will get 50,000 rupees, and the second runner-up will get 25,000 rupees. We are, the entire team at the Miss Himalaya pageant are excited to present a memorable and exciting pageant tomorrow and day after. Day after will be the finale, and we'll have the coronation ceremony.